Hey guys, it's me, Risa. Welcome to my kitchen. I hope you're doing really well and you're staying focused and you're staying motivated and you're staying determined on your health journey because it's worth it. Trust me, after losing 130 pounds, I'm not saying it was easy. I'm not saying that I haven't gained weight and I haven't had to change things up. But, every day's a new day, right? And that's what's amazing. It's a lifelong journey, not about perfection, about consistency. And one of the things that I've learned is that making different recipes and changing things up has helped me to stay on track. And if you're like me and you have a sweet tooth, you're going to love this new recipe. Before I tell you what it is, so you have to hang tight, I just hope that you've subscribed and you share my channel. And I love when you tag, when you make my recipes and comment, okay? And of course, the like button. I want lots of likes. So what are we making today? Well, we are going to make strawberry banana ice cream waffles. How does that sound? So for years and years, I've gone to, in Canada, the Canadian exhibition, and I've always loved ice cream waffles. But I don't like all the high fat and high calories and high sugar. So, of course, I've had to come up with a Risa-fied version. Today, I made a strawberry banana high protein waffle. Okay, I'm going to show you. And I had a few left over. I love using my mini dash grills so that I can make lots and then I can freeze them. Hello. And this way you have them already done and then it makes it even quicker. So let's get started. And I'm going to teach you this very quick and easy versatile recipe. All right. So as I mentioned, I love my little mini dash grills. I have two different ones. I have a heart-shaped one and I have a round one. And stay tuned for this recipe for the strawberry banana high protein. I use Flourish, but you can use any high protein waffle mix that you want. Okay, pancake and waffle mix, of course. And you can make lots and then, like I said, freeze them. And then, you bim, bam, boom, you can make this recipe. So I love strawberry and bananas. So I've cut them up, about one strawberry, just a small one, and just a piece of banana. Now, of course, if you're making lots, you can obviously cut up as much as you want because, my recipes are versatile. And I'm using about 3 tablespoons of whatever Cool Whip. This is a lower fat option Cool Whip. You can use ultra light Cool Whip, whatever brand you want. This is just a no-name one. It doesn't matter. It's versatile. And a teaspoon of some sugar-free banana pudding. Now, if you don't have the pudding, don't flip out. You can use any pudding you want if you want pudding in it, or just leave it with the Cool Whip. So I'm just adding about a teaspoon because I just love the flavor of the banana pudding. All right. And you can see that this is so easy and fast. I'm going to use my spatula. Actually, I think what I'm going to do is just mix in the fruit with it as well. Okay. And just mix that in and then simply add it to your waffle. Now, listen, I like a sandwich, but why not? You could do, if you want more, you can do them open-faced. But you can see that this is going to be a nice, big, thick ice cream sandwich. Now, of course, if you want less of the Cool Whip, I like it a bit puffy. So I like a nice, big, puffy sandwich, or you can do 2 open-faced sandwiches and then just put it over like so, and then freeze it. I mean, if you want to eat it like this, of course you can, but you can freeze it into a container. I like just putting it in a sealed container for about a couple hours so it gets nice and hard. And if you want to add anything else over it, you can. You don't need to. But again, my recipes are versatile. And if you want to add some sugar-free chocolate chips inside, or some almonds or nuts or seeds, that's up to you. All right. And just another quick, easy, delicious recipe. I just wanted to see you guys again. And I can't wait till this hardens because I'm going to take a huge bite. And I love things that are guilt-free, that you can just enjoy. So you could make lots of these. Like I said, now if you've just made your waffles, and by the way, you can use any of my waffle recipes to make waffle ice cream sandwiches. You don't have to just use the strawberry banana one. You can use any of my recipes, okay? So I hope you love this video, and comment, subscribe, share, and love you guys. Mwah. Bye for now.